So today we are exploring the Jurassic coast. We are doing something new. We're going to try and do 2 different hikes in one day. The first hike is Old Harry's Rock. Gorgeous, beautiful area. It's quite busy, but it's been really fun so far, and definitely something you should check out soon. I'm glad that I've just checked it out. Now I'm on my way to do the remainder of this 10-kilometer loop, and then after that, well, I'll tell you where we are when we get there. I haven't explored the Jurassic coast for a long while, so it's quite nice to be back here. It's bringing back loads of lovely memories of me visiting the Jurassic coast as a child, and yeah, it's really lovely to be back. I'm just so happy that I live in England. It's such a beautiful country. It's so underrated. There's so many gorgeous areas in England that so many people just don't know about, and I'm really excited to start exploring those over the next few videos and the next few weeks. I'm really glad that I managed to squeeze 2 hikes into one day. If you are considering checking it out yourself, then yeah, I would highly recommend that you do, and I would highly recommend that you make sure you plan your way down there and just make sure you have everything that you could possibly need. So yeah, great hike, great experience, would highly recommend. As with all of my films, the link to the exact route is in the description of this video down below. I've linked both of the route maps down there. The hikes did take me pretty much a whole day, but that was pretty much because I have a massive camera, I have my huge backpack and my drone, and also I'm obviously filming, so it adds on about half a mile and about, you know, an hour, maybe 2 hours for each hike. And also, if I'm completely honest, I don't ever really do these hikes for speed. I just do them to enjoy them. I'm not that interested on racing around these little routes. I always try to give myself way more time than I could possibly need. 1, because it's safer, and 2, because, you know, I'm not, if I wanted to race around it, I would run around it. I'm not like racing while I hike. Also, if you're interested in what hiking gear and camera gear I use to make this trip possible, then check the video description down below. Everything is linked there. Everything from my backpack to my jacket to my camera gear. So if you're interested and you want to potentially get into making these kind of films too, or if you just like the look of my coat and you want to get a similar one, then check out the Amazon links down below. and I'd buy from there because it will support me and it will support this channel and its growth moving forward. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is David P. McEntee. I am a professional videographer, but in my downtime, I like to go on hiking adventures like these. You may have seen that recently I hit 1,000 subscribers, which is fantastic, but this does mean that we are now on the road. We are now on the warpath to chasing down 2,000 subscribers. So if you like this video and you want to see more like it, then hit the big red button down below, press subscribe, and come and join our community because we would love to have you here. And also finally, be sure to check out the backlog of hiking films that I have made. There are 8 other hiking films. This is my 9th hiking film in England. Most of them are around Hertfordshire, Bedfordshire, and Buckinghamshire. They're all in a very similar style to this film, and hopefully it will give you some great inspiration for your next day out. But yeah, that is everything from me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some inspiration. I would really recommend that you go and check out the Jurassic Coast, and specifically the Swanage area that I went to check out. It's a great place to go and a really lovely day out, or weekend away. So yeah, check it out. You won't regret it. But anyways, have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.